Tutorial number 52. So we have been now doing of, the use of of, partitive use of of. So we say some of, many of, much of, a lot of, and things like that. So just one more point in this section, that is, you know this class nouns. You remember we did class nouns, such as clothing. Clothing is class noun, no? Clothing. Then you have furniture, luggage, traffic, crockery, furniture, luggage, crockery, cutlery, isn't it? Then traffic. These are class nouns. They are called class nouns. You give a name to the class of things. For example, clothing, all types of clothes. Furniture, all types of furniture. That is table, chair, your computer table. All these things come under this. Like that. So these are called class nouns. Class nouns. Now class nouns and partitive use of. Say for example, we say some of the clothing. Some of the clothing. See? Some of the furniture, etc. Little of the crockery. See? And then some of the food, etc. Always single. Always single. It is some of the clothing is. Some of the furniture is. Little of the crockery is. Some of the food is. Understand? So when after of or of is followed by a class noun that is singular, and we should use a singular verb. Understand? It cannot be, you cannot say like this, few of the crockery. Few of the crockery you cannot say. Why? Because here it is, few of the crockery, this denotes number. So no word which has the meaning of number should be used with this class nouns. Listen. You cannot say many of the furniture. Should not say. Should not say many of the furniture. Many of the furniture. You should not say. You cannot say because here it is number. No? Number. And only you should not say, you cannot say. And you can use only amount or quantity. Expressions just meaning amount or quantity. For example, we say some of the clothing is, or some of the furniture is. Some of the furniture is lying outside. Some of the clothing is to be taken out, or taken inside, because the furniture is outside. Little of the crockery has damaged. Some of the food is to be taken to the hostel. Some of the food is to be taken. You understand what I told you? When you use of with class nouns, of plus class noun is always singular. Of, so that is the point that you are doing. Of plus, of clothing, of furniture, of luggage, of crockery, of cutlery, of traffic, of food. It is singular. Listen, you cannot use words with meaning, just got meaning, number. Like for example, many of the crockery you cannot say. How many of the crockery are wrong? Terribly wrong. So you can say like this, few of the crockery or few of the furniture, you cannot say. Because there what happens is this number, denoting number. Understand? So once again, and the last time I am repeating, of plus class noun is singular, and we should not use a word meaning number with that. As for example, many, few, and so on. Clear? Fine. Thank you for listening. So we will learn exercise based on this in the next class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Take things easy. Bye.